afternoon, good evening, depends on where you are watching me from. So if today is your very first time you view me here on my YouTube channel and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly click on that red subscription, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so when I put in a new video you can easily come and check it out yourself. So for those of you who subscribe to my YouTube channel before, my returning subscribers, I so much appreciate you all. May God bless you. So today's video, guys, I just want to make a simple homemade butter cream, guys. So this cream is just going to help moisturize your skin. It's for all skin type. It's not going to whiten your skin, but it's just going to help you glow naturally. So what we'll be needing today, guys, is first of all is shea butter. So as you can see, I will be using 50 gram shea butter. I don't want to do much, I just want to do the one I can simply use for myself. So this is it right now. This is the shea butter. What I will do right now, we'll just go ahead and melt it. So we can't make use of it like this. We need to melt it to become liquid, guys. So now this is the shea butter. So I will just go ahead and be adding all the ingredients one after the other. What we need to do now is to add everything. So first of all, I will just go ahead and add my castor oil. And the next thing will be sulfur. So because of the quantity that I'm doing, I don't want to add everything. So I just have to make sure the one that will be okay with the shea butter we melted earlier, guys. And the next thing will be rice flour. This is rice flour. So I'm still measuring everything. So the next thing I will be adding right now, guys, is pure glycerin. And the next thing I will be adding is my carrot oil. So I did this carrot oil myself. For those of you, if you haven't watched the video I did how to make carrot oil, so please go and check it out. And I will be adding carrot oil as well. So I think this is too much. So this carrot oil is mixed with lemon. It's mixed with lemon and a lot of things. It's really good on the skin. So I made it myself. And the next thing I will be adding, guys, is coconut oil. This is it right now. So the next thing I will do, I will just go ahead and put it inside my fridge. So the next thing I will do after bringing that from the fridge, I will just go ahead and add vanilla flavor. This one is particular from Essence. It smells nice. So if you don't feel like adding it to your cream, it's also good, but I just decided to put it because I love the aroma. The scent is really good. It smells nice. I just feel like if I'm rubbing any cream on my on my skin. I just want to feel that scent, you understand? So if you don't feel like adding it, there's no problem. I just added it. It doesn't really mean anything actually. So the next thing I will be adding is deep orange food color. This one, guys, I just want to add it to give me that color that I want. They have it in different colors, blue, red, any color. So I decided to go for this orange color. It's not too deep, it's not too dark, it's just light orange, and it's really nice, and I love the color. So that is just it. I'll just add a little, not much. So what I will be doing right now, I will just go ahead and use my mixer to mix everything together, just the way you are doing it. If you want to do this cream, guys, it's really good for you to apply it in the evening or in the morning. Just use it as daycare cream. It's really good. It's just normal butter cream that we can easily even help get rid of your dark spots. Not only that, if you are having stretch mark, it will also help you get rid of it, because it do contain a high amount of shea butter. We all know that shea butter is really good when it comes to fading up stretch mark and other skin pigmentation. So guys, I'm done with my body butter cream. As you can see, this is how it looks, very smooth, and it look really nice. And thank you guys for your time, and I so much appreciate you all, and see you guys in my next video. And please, before you leave, don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to support this channel, guys. May God bless you as you do so. Bye bye.